Hello and welcome back to the Business Blueprint Online YouTube channel. We are helping you make money in so many ways. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell if you want to learn how to make money online. For those looking for a way to supplement their income each month, watching video advertisements can be a viable choice. Yes, you read that correctly. It is possible to generate money by watching advertisements. And the best part is that you won't have to make any initial financial commitment to get started. You're ready to go as long as you have your smartphone and a data connection. Throughout this essay, we'll go over everything you need to know about earning money by watching advertisements. Additionally, you will discover how to increase your earnings by watching advertisements. With little further ado, let's go down to business. 10 ways to make money by simply observing advertisements. Making money by viewing advertisements might be simple. However, you must have a realistic outlook about your ability to earn money. This is due to the fact that watching commercials will not assist you in earning enough money to quit your work or business. In contrast, watching videos online in your leisure time might be a fantastic way to save money for a new device or romantic supper for your significant other. You can also make money while listening to music, and while you're at it, you can learn how to make money with photography. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a well-established corporation that provides a diverse range of consumer loyalty and reward programs. With Swagbucks, you may earn points for performing everyday online activities such as answering surveys, viewing videos, playing games, and buying online, among others. As a welcome incentive, you will receive 5 bonus rewards points. Swagbucks are the reward points that are given out. Payout starts at a bare minimum. Swagbucks are worth 1 cent each. You can redeem as few as 3 Swagbucks per transaction. Method of payment. Cash out options include Payoneer or PayPal depending on how many reward points you have. You can also purchase Amazon gift cards as an alternative. And if you're interested, you may use your Swagbucks to make donations to a variety of non-profit organizations. Number 2. MyPoints. MyPoints provide you with the opportunity to earn points by participating in surveys, reading emails, watching movies, playing games, and participating in a variety of other online activities. If you enjoy online shopping, MyPoints can assist you in earning points for your purchases from about 1,900 prominent stores. Payout starts at a bare minimum. MyPoints provide a variety of gift cards from which you can choose when redeeming your points. PayPal has a $25 payout barrier, which is the minimum amount that can be received. Method of payment. You can be compensated through the use of online gift cards or PayPal. Swagbucks, the sibling site to MyPoints, offers more lucrative opportunities to make money online if you're serious about earning money by viewing videos. Number 3. AppTrailers. AppTrailers, as the name implies, pays you to watch video trailers for apps, DIY projects, movie trailers, and celebrity gossip films in exchange for your time. You earn points for participating in these online activities. Payouts start at a bare minimum. In order to redeem them, you'll need at least 5,000 bonus points. Method of payment. By connecting into your PayPal account, you will be able to exchange your points for gift cards or cash. Number 4. Inbox dollars. Inbox dollars compensates you for activities such as watching movies, completing surveys, playing games, and reading emails. Until now, the firm claims to have paid away $80 million in monetary incentives. When you sign up, you will receive a $5 incentive as a welcome gift. Some of the offers on Inbox dollars are only available on mobile devices. As a result, you must download the software from either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, depending on your smartphone. Payouts start at a bare minimum. The only way to convert your points into money is to have at least $30 in your account balance before you may do so. Method of payment. Cash withdrawals can be made using either Visa or PayPal, depending on your bank's policies. Electronic gift cards can also be used to make payments if that is your preference. Number 5. Quick Rewards. Interested in getting paid to watch videos? Check out Quick Rewards, which has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. And the good news is that Quick Rewards is a large collection of educational and amusing videos for you to watch. Participating in online surveys, completing offers, and conducting online shopping are all ways to make money online. Payouts start at a bare minimum. There is no requirement for a minimum payout, even a single nickel can be redeemed. Method of payment. You may exchange your points for cash in a variety of ways, including PayPal, Amazon gift cards, and gift cards to local businesses. Number 6. iRazoo. If you want to view video advertisements with a high level of entertainment value, you should look into iRazoo. In addition to short films and app teasers, the site also includes cooking tutorials, movie reviews, and other content that is routinely updated. By watching videos, you will be able to earn iRazoo points. If you want to participate in online surveys, the website also offers a survey inventory. Payouts start at a bare minimum. To be eligible for any $5 award, you will need to accumulate 3,000 points. Method of payment: your online actions may be rewarded with gift cards or cash sent into your PayPal account as a result of your efforts. Number 7. Prizerebel. Prizerebel is a free incentive site that has approximately 5 million members. Prizerebel points can be earned by participating in online activities such as completing surveys, watching video material, signing up for websites, and other similar activities. Payouts start at a bare minimum. The option to request a cash reward is available once you have earned $5 in points. And in order to receive an Amazon gift card, you must accrue a total of $2 in points. Method of payment: Prizerebel points can be redeemed for free cash or gift cards at any time. The money will be put into your PayPal account. Number 8. Ad wallet or advertising wallet. Companies compensate individuals for their time and attention. The ad wallet platform may be the best option for you if you want to make money online by watching videos from your favorite brands and companies. After you have completed your profile, you will begin to receive video suggestions that are tailored to your preferences. In addition, you will receive a minimum of 50 cents and a maximum of $3 for each movie you watch. Payouts start at a bare minimum. To be able to pay out, you must have earned a minimum of $10. Method of payment: 3 methods of payment are available: MasterCard, prepaid cards, donations, and electronic gift cards. Number 9. Ucubes. Ucubes provide a variety of opportunities to earn money online. You can earn money by watching advertisements, browsing websites, completing surveys, or watching movies. And if you want to make even more money, you may refer Ucubes to your friends and earn up to a 15% commission from the individuals you refer and their referrals, as well as from their referrals. Payouts start at a bare minimum. Depending on your membership level, you will need to accumulate £2 or $8 in order to proceed. Method of payment: you can be compensated using PayPal or a variety of cryptocurrencies. Number 10. Cash Kick. In addition to completing surveys, watching movies, and surfing the web, Cash Kick also offers a variety of other opportunities to earn cash money online, such as playing games. Cash Kick will make a direct deposit into your PayPal account on your behalf. Payouts start at a bare minimum. To cash out, you must have a total of at least $10. Method of payment: well, the money is transferred to your PayPal account. What kind of money can you make simply by sitting in front of the television and watching commercials? What you can make from watching advertisements varies depending on a variety of circumstances, which include, but are not limited to, payment per advertisement, number of advertisements you can watch in an hour, number of hours you can spend watching advertisements, and availability of advertisements on the platform of your choice. As a result, it is not feasible to provide a figure for how much money you will make from watching advertisements. However, it is reasonable to anticipate earning between $25 to $50 each month in payouts and awards from your activities. How to maximize your earnings by watching advertisements. If you want to optimize your earnings from watching advertisements, you should choose a platform that updates its inventory of ads daily and pays you more money for watching advertisements. Additionally, you should increase the time you set aside to watch advertisements. You now understand how to generate money by watching advertisements. It's past time to get started on it. All of the apps listed above are entirely legitimate and assist you in earning money by watching advertisements. You can also check out these money-making applications to see if there are any more opportunities to make money. Many thanks for staying to the end. Subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell below so you get notified every time we upload content like this one. While you're down there, please leave a comment and we will reply to all of them. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more.